Christmas!
So hi guys,
Merry
we are
Christmas.
currently here at Ayala Center Cebu with my cousins.
Hello everybody! Hi, my name is Rolly.
Rolly! Next!
Hi, Justine.
Justine! Next!
Hi, I'm Marfil.
Okay, next!
Hi, I'm Union.
And...
Hi, I'm Jane.
Okay! Today is December 25. We are here at the center of Ayala. Say hi! Nana! So we usually do this after Christmas. So mga cousins, we go out. Actually, daghan kami, but camera ang available for today.
Where are we going? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna introduce you to my boyfriend. It's Jungkook. Jungkook. Hi, JK.
Si Jungkook.
JK everyone.
Si Johan lo naroon.
Vlog there. Rolly J.
Rolly J. You can follow sa Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram and TikTok, that's Rolly J.
Yes,
Follow
sila
me,
na
guys.
yung followers.
I don't know, I forgot.
Uy, naani siya yung mga million views, guys.
No.
Cut ka niya, guys.
Don't be.
Nanami sa gawas.
There's a lot of people.
Hello. Look.
Maan's the
many
vlogger.
people. Tayo na mo.
What are you gonna do?
Pwede na kanapin na candid, guys. Pinatawa-tawa. Kuha na sila. Siblings. Two of them are siblings. So, naka-decide me here, guys, sa break here sa Ayala. And we have ordered na. Are you guys hungry? Nine apat. Neo. Say hi.
Hi.
We have our food. Ayala. Say hi.
Love is more than just a game fountain. And doing love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it down.
Hi. Hi, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh yeah, that was it, guys. Unexpectedly, I saw my musician friends playing here at Ayala on a Christmas day. And yeah, so where are we going next? Back to the vlog. Okay, some coffee and sweets para mabalik ang amo ang happy mood. Okay, ganina pag-eat. Niubos sa mong, niubos sa mong energy. So here's the new Jayco Reserve, guys. Change of mind.
Joke na din ang Jayco, guys.
Oh, this is the newly renovated Starbucks. We're gonna get in. Oh my god. Willing to wait. Okay, so we transferred to another Starbucks nga branch, guys. Diri walay tao. Oh, that's Ayala. And this is Starbucks.
General chicken. Ayan, perfect.
Ari ka din niya. We're finally here at Starbucks. Ang nga branch. This is in BPI Center something. So, naara ni doon saya lagi hapon. But, it's way better kasi walay tao. Pero walay cheesecake.
Craving dissatisfied.
Daily. Ilong di kaya. Okay. Always and forever, my signature hot chocolate. This is what I only order here at Starbucks. Kaya more na akong nailan. Hi everybody. So yeah, we're done with our lag for today. Because it's day out. So we're gonna go home now. Bye-bye! Manamig chika. Merry Christmas! Manamig chika, guys. So we're gonna go home now. Bye!